So yeah, we can't walk past the life cycle. It's fundamental in achieving long-term success. All of this in the end we have to package up into a strategy to achieve reliability improvement. And I'm going to talk about what improvement in reliability means and what is that? What does it look like? How do you go about doing it? In the next couple of days we're going to turn those concepts here into a process, a defined, clearly documented technique to get all these great results as part of our business strategies. In production, we have defects and rework and scrap, and when you go looking at the root causes of that, underneath this iceberg are many, many root causes. Bad procedures, failing equipment, wrong specifications. There's heaps of reasons that we have problems in our production plants. On our machines, the same thing. If I have cavitation in a machine, if I have vibration, noise, temperature, I've got wear debris in my oil, by the time I see this, my machine has already failed. It's on its way to failure. Now, by the time I see these things in my P and F curve, my machine, she's way down here. My P point was back there. My F point is not far off. So by the time these appear in my machines, she's already beginning to fail. I'm on the curve, and the curve will continue downwards, or if I'm unlucky, the curve will go like that. It'll fail tomorrow as opposed to in 2 months' time. This one here, immediate breakdown. She's stopped right now, guys. Just pour the money in there, rush, get the plant back in operation again. Just do whatever you've got to do, and the dollars go up and up because that's exactly what we're going to do. Got no other choice. So I don't want to go there. If I want to stop this scenario, if I don't want to have these problems, I've got to come back down underneath. I've got to come back down to the root cause. I've got to come down and say, well, I am getting noise and vibration because the machine is unbalanced. Its lubrication is absolutely full of water and junk particles. So if I want to stop this, I've got to make sure that these things are done right. Because if these are done right, the lubrication's clean. If the seals are secure on the shaft and there's no leakage, if I use the right tools, if my bearings are properly installed with the right clearances at operating temperatures, then I don't get these problems. So I want to not have this situation by controlling the beginnings of the problems down here. In fact, ensuring that there is no unbalance, that there is great shaft alignment, that our tolerances and instructions are spot on. And if I can control this and get it right every time down here, then these will never happen. If I get it right down here, then scraps and defects and waste and overruns don't happen either.